f of x equals to x cubed plus 8x squared plus x minus 42, and x minus 2 is a factor of f of x, then find all the zeros of f of x algebraically. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add 2 as our 0. Now, the reason for this is because x minus 2 equals to 0, and if you just move 2 to both sides, x would equal to 2, so that means 2 is one of our zeros. All right, and now we have this big equation, x cubed plus 8x squared plus x minus 42. So first we're going to use the rational root theorem and look at the constants and figure out what could be the factors of this. So it would be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 7, plus minus 6, that one's an easy one. And then we go down to 26 times 2, 52. So then what's 3 divided by 42? It would be, oh, it would be 4. It'd be 14, yeah. So plus minus 14, and then 6 and 7 are both factors, and then plus minus 42. So these are the possibilities. So now we just have to go one by one and do x plus 1. So let's start with x plus 1 and do x plus 1 divided by x cubed plus 8x squared plus x minus 42. And there are 3 ways you can do this division. One is synthetic division, one is long division, and one is the box method. Now, synthetic division is faster, but in this case, I'm going to be using long division. And so I'm going to do this on my paper. Are getting a remainder of negative 36, meaning that x minus 1 cannot be a factor. Now, we are just going to keep testing out factors just like this. So now we're going to do x minus 1. And I want you to go ahead of me here and keep testing out these factors until you find one, and I'm going to figure this out and come back right to you. Hopefully you guys try this out and test it out. For me, I got x plus 3 is one of the factors, so that means x plus 3 equals to 0, means negative 3, negative 3, so x will equal to negative 3, so that's another factor. But we will also have a couple more zeros because we found that, the factor after dividing x plus 3 into x cubed plus 8x squared plus x minus 42, we're also getting x squared plus 5x minus 14, which would be x plus 7, x minus 2, which gives us 2 more, which is negative 7 and 2. So, actually, one more thing. Remember, you can see that this is 2, negative 3, negative 7, and 2. But you see 2 repeating both times. So actually, 2 is not a solution because it's a double root. So this is our answer.